सोचा नहीं था क्या तुमने? Didn't you think? Didn't you think? समझा नहीं क्या तुमने? Didn't you understand? Didn't you understand? लिखा नहीं क्या तुमने? Didn't you write? Didn't you write? देखा नहीं क्या तुमने? Didn't you see? Didn't you see? पूछा नहीं क्या तुमने? Didn't you ask? Didn't you ask? अगर वे झगड़ने लगे तो? What if they start arguing? What if they start arguing? अगर बिजली चली गई तो? What if the power goes out? What if the power goes out? अगर वह रोने लगी तो? What if she starts crying? What if she starts crying? अगर हम देर से पहुंचे तो? What if we arrive late? What if we arrive late? अगर उसने मुझसे मदद मांगी तो? What if he asks me for help? What if he asks me for help? बात बात पर बहस मत करो. Don't argue on every single matter. Don't argue on every single matter. बात बात पर शिकायत मत करो. Don't complain on every single matter. Don't complain on every single matter. बात बात पर शक मत करो. Don't doubt on every single matter. Don't doubt on every single matter. बात बात पर जवाब मत दो. Don't reply on every single matter. Don't reply on every single matter. बात बात पर ध्यान मत दो. Don't pay attention to every single matter. Don't pay attention to every single matter. तुम्हारी गलतियों का अब कुछ नहीं हो सकता. Nothing can be of your mistakes now. Nothing can be of your mistakes now. तुम्हारा कुछ नहीं हो सकता. Nothing can be of you. Nothing can be of you. उनकी मदद का अब कुछ नहीं हो सकता. Nothing can be of their help now. Nothing can be of their help now. इस योजना का अब कुछ नहीं हो सकता. Nothing can be of this plan now. Nothing can be of this plan now. उस काम का अब कुछ नहीं हो सकता. Nothing can be of that work now. Nothing can be of that work now. अच्छा होगा कि तुम समय पर आओ. You had better come on time. You had better come on time. अच्छा होगा कि तुम सच बोलो. You had better tell the truth. You had better tell the truth. अच्छा होगा कि वह वहां ना जाए. He had better not go there. He had better not go there. अच्छा होगा कि तुम अपनी पढ़ाई पर ध्यान दो. You had better focus on your studies. You had better focus on your studies. अच्छा होगा कि वह अपनी गलती माने. He had better admit his mistake. He had better admit his mistake. वह किताब पढ़ने में मग्न है. He is engrossed in reading a book. He is engrossed in reading a book. वह गाना सुनने में मग्न है. She is engrossed in listening to music. She is engrossed in listening to music. वे खेल खेलने में मग्न हैं. They are engrossed in playing a game. They are engrossed in playing a game. वह पेंटिंग बनाने में मग्न है। She is engrossed in making a painting. She is engrossed in making a painting. वह खाना पकाने में मग्न है। He is engrossed in cooking. He is engrossed in cooking. हो सके तो मेरे लिए थोड़ा समय निकालना। If possible, make some time for me. If possible, make some time for me. हो सके तो उसे जल्दी बुला लेना। If possible, call him soon. If possible, call him soon. हो सके तो मुझे समझा देना। If possible, explain it to me. If possible, explain it to me. हो सके तो मेरे लिए एक किताब लाना। If possible, bring a book for me. If possible, bring a book for me. हो सके तो आज जल्दी आना। If possible, come early today. If possible, come early today. कौन कहता है कि तुम पढ़ नहीं सकते? Who says you can't study? Who says you can't study? कौन कहता है कि तुम झूठ बोलते हो? Who says you lie? Who says you lie? कौन कहता है कि तुम्हें मौका नहीं मिलेगा? Who says you won't get a chance? Who says you won't get a chance? कौन कहता है कि तुम अच्छे दोस्त नहीं हो? Who says you are not a good friend? Who says you are not a good friend? कौन कहता है कि तुम यह काम नहीं कर सकते? Who says you can't do this work? Who says you can't do this work? मैं उसे अपना साथी समझता था। I considered him to be my companion. I considered him to be my companion. मैं इसे आसान समझता था। I considered it to be easy. I considered it to be easy. मैं उसे समझदार समझता था। I considered her to be wise. I considered her to be wise. मैं इसे महत्वपूर्ण समझता था। I considered it to be important. I considered it to be important. मैं तुम्हें भरोसेमंद समझता था। I considered you to be trustworthy. I considered you to be trustworthy.